Hello, friends. So, welcome back to your own channel, that is, We Are in Techno World. So, in this lecture, I'm going to tell you about quantization. So, this quantization is one of the technique which comes under PCM, Pulse Code Modulation. As you very well aware about the first technique under PCM, that was sampling. And different type of sampling you have been learned in the previous lecture. But after the sampling, the next phase takes place that is known as quantization. As you could see with the help of the analog signals, like as soon as we would be having the continuous amplitude, after that, with the help of quantization, we would convert it into discrete values. So, for that purpose, you need to check the complete lecture. So, the first thing which I'm going to tell you, the definition of quantization. Okay, so have a look. Quantization is what? Quantization is the process of converting the sampled amplitudes into a limited number of fixed labels. So what is the meaning of it? कि आप यहाँ पर quantization process के through क्या कर रहे हैं? With the help of this, you are fixing the values. Because if we talk about the analog signals, means the message signal which we are getting in a form of analog waves, that is not fixed. We are having the different amplitudes within it, as you know very well. So in case of quantization, you are just fixing all the labels, means you are doing the approximation. ठीक है, सो क्वांटाइजेशन का मतलब है राउंडिंग द सिग्नल्स एम्पलीट्यूड, मीन्स मेकिंग द राउंडिंग ऑफ वैल्यूज. Means let us suppose you are having the different waves of that inputted message. Means whether it's a form of voice, whether it's a form of the like you could say velocity, temperature, right? Because analog waves comes with the help of this input. Okay, so you are just converting the value, the approximate value, into the nearest fixed level of value. So that is actually being done with the help of this quantization technique. Okay, so you could understand it with the help of example as well. Let us imagine that you are measuring the temperature. Okay, your body, you are just measuring the body temperature. Okay, so the actual value that is going to be measured with the help of the thermometer is around 23.6 Celsius, right? But like we just do the approximation of it, so it would be 24 degrees Celsius. So this is the rounding of the values of this 23.6. So this is actually quantization. Okay, you could understand it with the help of other picture as well. As you could see over here, like pulse code modulation says as soon as the value is coming or the input is coming in a form of analog waves, then with the help of sampling, first of all you just measure the samples. Okay, all right, you're having different sampling technique for that. But once it would be passed from the first phase, then the second phase is of quantization, so you just make the approximation of that value, so that in the third phase, that would be encoding, you could convert it into the binary signal. Okay, so this is actually quantization. चलिए हम इसको एक और एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. Let us suppose you are having one more example of audio signal. Let us suppose like the allowed amplitude signals are, मतलब जो भी signals जो कि allowed हैं, what is the range of the allowed signals? So that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? But the sampled value, लेकिन जो आपकी वैल्यू को जिसको सैम्पल किया गया है दैट इज 2.7, जिसपे मेजर किया गया है एम्पलीट्यूड को, सो दैट इज 2.7. So as soon as the quantization would be applied onto these sampled values, then the quantized value would be 3. Because why you could say so? Because you are doing the approximation of this value, so that 2.7 would be converted into 3. After that it would be encoded. Then if let us suppose you are having the second sampled value that is 1.2, तो आप इसको कहाँ पर क्वांटाइज करेंगे? as you know that if after point you are having 2 or less than 5, if you are having any kind of value, then it would be converted into the like minimum one, right? But if the value is point 0.5, right, then it would be getting plus 1, right, means it would be 2. Okay, अगर ये अभी है यहाँ पर 1.2, तो obviously it would be quantized as 1, but if it would be 1.5, then it would be quantized to 2. Okay, so just like that the quantization would be done, means pulse code modulation says कि after that, like as soon as we just take the samples of analog signal, जैसे ही आप analog signals को क्या करते हैं, measure करते हैं, तो we quantization says कि you cannot store the exact value. quantization process कहता है कि आप exact value को store नहीं कर सकते, right? क्योंकि analog waves आपके पास किस में होती है, approximation की form में, you are having the approximate value, that is why, right? So we just approximate each sample to the closest allow values. That step is known as quantization. I hope this is clear to everyone. You just note it down what actually the quantization is. Okay. Now just do check or you just understand with the help of this diagram. Let us suppose you are having like 4 voltage signals: 0 volt, 1 volt, 2 volt, and 3 volt, right? So you are having, as you could see, these red dots. These are what? These are actually this like different number of sampled voice, right? Different signals we are getting in one voice which has been recorded, right? Let us suppose, because we don't have only one single sample, we have so many signals we are having in the measured input. Okay, all right. But as you could see over here, like, but what is the quantization value, right? First of all, what is this 0, 0.5? That is actually the sampled value. Then in the 1 volt to 2 volt, you just check what is the sampled value, that is 1.5. Then between 2 volt to 3 volt, what is the sampled value? Out of so many samples, what is the sampled value? That is 2.5. All right. So here you could see that these are the different sampled values. Okay. Now, what actually the quantization would do? So I'll let you know how actually quantization would work. As you could see over here, like the sampled value which you have been seen in the previous diagram, that is 0 0.5, 1.5, and 2.5. These are what? These are actually the quantized, or you could say the quantization labels, just like Q0, Q1, and Q2. All right. And after that, here you could see 1 centimeter is what? These are the different step sizes, right? And Q0, Q1, Q2 are the quantization levels, right? Now, what's the formula for quantization? So, the formula for quantization is step size equals to VH minus VL upon Q. यहाँ पर VH क्या है? VH का मतलब है द हाईएस्ट वोल्टेज एंड VL का मतलब है द लोएस्ट वोल्टेज, और Q किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? नंबर ऑफ इंटरवल्स को. सो हाउ मेनी इंटरवल्स डू यू हैव? जस्ट डू चेक हाउ मेनी इंटरवल्स डू यू हैव. Like 1, 2, and 3. 3 intervals you are having. All right. So what would be the answer of this? And what is the highest voltage? The highest voltage, as you could see, is 3 volt. And what is the lowest voltage? VL, that is 0 volt. That means the answer would be 3 minus 0 upon 3 equals to 1. All right. So just like that, we just find out the value for quantization. Okay. All right. Uh, in case of this, you could see one more thing, as like what is happening in this picture in detail. You could check, like we have an analog signal. This is your analog signal. This blue slanted line is the analog signal, right? This blue slanted line is what? This is the analog signal, right? And that can take any value between 0 to 3 volt, right? It could take any kind of value between these. But a digital system says कि it cannot store infinite values, right? आपके पास ये जो infinite values आ रही है ना, 1 2 3 4, so many signals are here, so many sampled values are here, right? तो इतनी सारी वैल्यूज आपकी स्टोर नहीं हो सकती डिजिटल पैरामीटर्स में, राइट? क्योंकि आपका मेन एम यहाँ पर पीसीएम के थ्रू क्या है, एनालॉग वेव्स को डिजिटल मोड में कन्वर्ट करना, right? So that is why this quantization would divide this range into fixed steps, right? इसीलिए यहाँ पर क्वांटाइजेशन क्या करेगा, आपके जो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सैंपल्स हैं वॉइस के, इनको एक फिक्स्ड स्टेप में कन्वर्ट कर देगा, राइट? इसको हम और भी अच्छे से समझेंगे, बट उससे पहले आप देखिएगा क्वांटाइजेशन एरर क्या होता है, राइट? क्वांटाइजेशन तो आपको पता चल गया है कि लाइक यू नीड टू डू द अप्रोक्सीमेशन, दैट इज एक्चुअली द क्वांटाइजेशन, ठीक है? तो आप उसका अप्रोक्सीमेशन करते हो वैल्यू का, वो आपका कहलाता है क्वांटाइजेशन। लेकिन क्वांटाइजेशन एरर क्या है? Many of the times it is asked in the exam, in different exams, whether it is a university exam and in the competitive exam, that what do you mean by quantization error? तो क्वांटाइजेशन एरर का मतलब है द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एक्चुअल सैंपल्ड वैल्यू एंड द क्वांटाइज्ड वैल्यू, ठीक है, जो आपने राउंड ऑफ करके निकाली है। एज यू कुड सी, आपके पास एक्चुअल सैंपल्ड वैल्यू थी 2.6, बट आपने उसको क्वांटाइज करके लिख दिया 3, राइट? तो यानी कि आपका जो अप्रोक्सीमेट, आपका जो क्वांटाइजेशन एरर है वो कितना है, 3 माइनस 2.6, दैट मीन्स 0.4। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन कि क्वांटाइजेशन एरर क्या होता है, ठीक है? चलिए, अब इसमें कुछ और इम्पॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं, जस्ट लाइक हम कहते हैं कि क्वांटाइजेशन की जरूरत आपको क्यों पड़ी, व्हाई डू वी नीड दिस क्वांटाइजेशन? तो देखिए, आप बहुत ही सिंपल शब्दों में समझिएगा कि हमें यहाँ पर क्वांटाइजेशन की जरूरत इसलिए पड़ी बिकॉज द डिजिटल सिस्टम कैन ओनली स्टोर द डिस्क्रीट वैल्यूज। डिजिटल सिस्टम को डिस्क्रीट वैल्यू की फॉर्म का क्या आउटपुट समझ आता है, नॉट द कंटिन्यूअस वन, राइट? एनालॉग सिग्नल्स की फॉर्म का आउटपुट उसको समझ नहीं आता है, right? So that is why we are in a need of this quantization, ठीक है? Okay, so some important key points or the key ideas which you could get with the help of this video lecture is quantization क्या है, dividing the voltage range into different number of steps and just make the rounding of each sampled value, right? ये आपका quantization है। क्वांटाइजेशन एरर क्या है, द स्मॉल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एक्चुअल सैंपल्ड वैल्यू और क्वांटाइज्ड वैल्यू, राइट? ड्यू टू द राउंडिंग, जब आप राउंडिंग ऑफ कर रहे हैं तो जो बीच का एरर है दैट इज नोन एज क्वांटाइजेशन एरर। अच्छा, क्वांटाइजेशन को एक बार फिर से समझेंगे कि व्हाई इट इज डन, बिकॉज डिजिटल सिस्टम कैन नॉट प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूअस एम्पलीट्यूड्स, सो the signal would be in a need of like this quantization method so that you could represent it in the discrete levels. I hope this is clear. Now, again, the quantization error. So, this error appears as a small noise that is called quantization noise. Means जो आपका quantization error है उसी को हम कहते हैं quantization noise. I hope this is clear to everyone कि आपने लाइक एक डेडिकेटेड लेक्चर में सैम्पलिंग को बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ लिया होगा। आफ्टर दैट दिस वीडियो लेक्चर इज टोटली dedicated to quantization process and the quantization error process. So I hope this is clear to everyone. But still, if you are having any kind of doubt, so you could write in the below comment box so that I could try to resolve it. So till then, thank you so much.